Want to use your Tesco Clubcard without downloading the app? It's easier than you think. Tesco has fully transitioned to digital options, emphasizing appless access through your online account and digital card codes. This video will show you how to access all the benefits of your Clubcard: tracking points, redeeming vouchers, and getting personalized offers directly through Tesco's website. The focus is on convenience and accessibility, especially for those who prefer not to use apps, addressing privacy concerns and accommodating users without smartphones. First, create a free account at tesco.com/clubcard. All you need is an email, password, and some basic info. Once logged in, you can view your points balance, transaction history, and redeem vouchers. The key is the digital card codes. These are unique, shareable QR codes or alphanumeric codes generated via the online account. Remember that codes expire after 24 hours, so generate a new one each time you shop. Enjoy the benefits of Clubcard without needing the app.